Hey guys, it's your boy Just Gaming here, and I am here on Pokemon Showdown. And this is my name. Leave my name blank. So we are going for a battle here. I go to Team Builder, and the team I'm using is this. It's National Dex. We have Adaptability Mega Beedrill with Beedrillite. We have moves U-turn, Poison Jab, Drill Run, and Fell Stinger. We have Hairy Hulk because he's hairy. We have his leftovers, Prankster ability, Prankster taunting so that we can avoid those hazards, entry hazards, Darkest Lariat, Play Rough, and Sucker Punch. We have Joker, the Blacephalon with Flamethrower, Shadow Ball, Psychic, and Will-O-Wisp. With Beast Boost and Firium Z. We have Leon Inteleon. He's based on James Bond, so there's this dialogue called Bond. James Bond. It's like that. And he has the Sniper ability, which makes critical hits damage more. It's Air Slash, Snipe Shot, Ice Beam, Shadow Ball, and Expert Belt as his item. We have Gaburias, the Garchomp, with Earthquake, Iron Head, Aqua Tail, Dragon Claw, and Life Orb as an item. Gaburias is a Japanese name and it sounds cooler than Garchomp. You have Gex, the Heliolisk with Assault Vest so that he could survive hits with his special defense. He's fast with Thunderbolt, Surf, Focus Blast, and Hyper Voice. Let's get the battle started, shall we? Let's go to National Dex. And I'm gonna choose until 68. I didn't name any of these teams. And I'm telling you, I don't know competitive Pokemon battling so well, so there may be like ladders or like extremely good teams with legendaries and all of those, but I don't use any legendaries on our teams which will make me overpowered, I think. This is just a normal Pokemon team I wanted to use and I want to do the battle. See, we can win this. I'm doing the battle for just fun and I don't care if I win or lose. This is a team and we are going to battle. It's connecting. Let's see who we get. We get this guy, Chumbot. He has it's a good team. He has half legendaries and half of the Pokemon I think are in OU. I want to start with Hairy Hulk. Okay, good start with the Diancie right there. I'm gonna taunt you. See? OMG, Magic Bounce came in clutch. I never expected this. This thing may just Oko me. It has bad speed, I think. Snipe Shot, crit. Breloom. You send a Breloom out? He resists it, is cool. I'm just gonna do the ice beam on him. Boom, that KO'd because of Expert Belt. Breloom is actually a kangaroo. Who thought Breloom would be a kangaroo? And we have this Porygon Z. I'm just gonna Snipe Shot him. He's gonna do a Z move. Z conversion! That's actually good. He became a ghost type. I have a super effective move on you. Oh no, Thunderbolt. This Thunderbolt though. This thing can actually KO me. OMG. Shadow Ball. See? I never said I was a meta player. I'm gonna Thunderbolt you. I thought of a ghost move. I still have Mega Beedrill around. Maybe Mega Beedrill is like, I will do crazy things. Earth Power. Assault Vest didn't make me survive. Is this thing actually weak to raw? Is this thing actually weak to poison? I don't know. It resists poison. Diamond Storm missing was crazy over here. Maybe this executioner will execute all of these people. Probably not. Quirem is gonna do something to me. Don't bring out Garchomp, he's weak. Poison Jab, poison please. Draco Meteor kills the Executioner and Gaburias is slower. Gaburias is actually faster. Garchomp is actually faster. Mantine. He hoped I would use an Earthquake. But no. Dragon Claw everything to oblivion. Thunderous will actually do some damage to me. Thunderous is... I'm actually faster than a Thunderous. Just gonna Dragon Claw everyone. Like he survived. Dark Pulse. Dragon Claw. Garchomp is actually doing some good damage. This thing. I can actually KO this thing. Yee. That was good. That was really good battle. I thought I would actually lose this, but Garchomp just KO'd everything. I think I am going for another battle. Let's do one more battle. I thought I was going to lose this. Fans, whoever watches me. I don't know who watches me. Yeah, the normal lead. Delap Soap RPGs. It's a cool name and you got a cool team like mine. Like you use cool Pokemon. Like Zeraora won't set up but still taunting is good. You played rough on me. How dare you play rough on me? Using a Stab Sucker Punch. Oh, you took down Hairy Hulk. I don't know what to do. He's 423. I don't think Mega Beedrill is faster. I'm going for Gaburias for the super effective move. He has no flying types. I'm going to go for a Dragon Claw because OMG, Gaburias is actually so bulky. Being bulky is actually what saved me. Psychic Fairy. Oh man, I could have had... Ooh, Iron Head. I thought I could have had Shadow Claw for this. Iron Head KO'd. Garchomp is actually really strong. Cynthia is not messing with her. This thing can go for an ice move. So the best way to do something against it is go for Inteleon. See? Now he is ice type. But I have nothing for ice types. He's faster. I'm going for Snipe Shield. Oh, Grass Knot. Grass Knot KO'd. I'm not heavy. I'm not that heavy. The Executioner may be faster than him and I'm just gonna U-turn. See? That was good. That was a good switch in, switch out, switch something. But Landorus actually walls me. Joker would be good. Hey, this Landorus T can hurt me so much. I'm going for the Z move right away. Oh, a Z move critical hit. Beast Boost may boost his move, but Greninja is... Dude, Greninja is actually good. He may go for a water move, so I have this guy. See? Dry Skin is good. I'm going for a Thunderbolt because it's stab. He'll switch to Sceptile. Sceptile is his only option to switch into. So I'm gonna go Thunderbolt this guy. He may switch to Cinderace, but switching to Cinderace will do good stab damage anyway. Sceptile is probably the switch. Oh, you did Grass Knot. Okay. Oh, that was unexpected of you. How about I use another good stab move? Hyper Voice. I'm gonna Hyper Voice you again. Hidden Power fighting probably. Hyper Voice is just strong. This thing is faster than me. Yeah, this thing is faster than me and is a physical attacker. Bro, you're doing massive damage. And this guy isn't even faster. Garchomp is going to go down, and Cinderace, he has both Libero and Sproutian. Those are extremely uncertain abilities, and probably this thing is faster. I mean, I'm just gonna go U-turn. OMG, Sucker Punch did so much damage. This thing is so dark that I'm gonna Will-O-Wisp it and make Sucker Punch fail. Haha, you're going to go burn. Ah, you didn't allow me to burn you. I'll burn you again. Or this Greninja. U-turn? That didn't do so much. A freaking Greninja is faster than me and it's going to take down Joker. He's not good at his defenses. I have nothing for this guy. This is immune, this is resisted, this is also resisted. And he takes down Joker. The first battle was a win, the second battle was a lose. This is Lando, I actually killed Landorus T, but having both a Protean and a Liberomon is uncertainty. If only this thing hadn't used Grass Knot, I think Heliolisk could have taken it down. But whatever, I'm just doing it for fun. I don't care if I win or lose, nor about the ladders updating. I'm actually at a good ladder position. I am somewhere near 1100 or something. Okay, ladder probably updated, but score could not be retrieved. Whatever. Should I rematch him or not? This video is gonna end up long if I rematch this person. So I think I'm gonna end it here, guys. Peace out.